India's leading institute for medical engineering and foundation preparation is now in Vasco, Ponda and Mapsa. Fulfill your dreams of becoming a doctor or engineer with Akash Byju's. Enroll for instant admission cum scholarship test. Admissions open.
Land was given in the 1971 papers. There was nothing in the code which said that land is only to be used for only industry. That means it can be used for something else. Once the land is transferred to another party, and after so many years, it is their land per se, number one. Number two, government also considered, me as a government, we definitely had the view we should have that land going for industry. But I am afraid now where objections are coming, they are we too late, because they have already sold the land to other third parties, and further those parties have sold to other people who have bought the land, whether to build houses or to build colonies. I don't know. I don't have those details. But I know one thing for sure, third party rights have been already created. And once third party rights are created, I don't know how much we can do to retrieve the land. But there is no provision in law. Once land given to of such a scale of, and that too in the 70s, early 70s, whether we can retrieve the land bank, I really don't know. They were supposed to be held before 19th. Can it be held? Have we initiated a process? Has Goa State Election Commission initiated a process? It's a big no. So which means, in essence, before, as soon as their term expires, you should have administrators in place. We have already taken the steps. You will see administrators in place much earlier than you expect.
By Monday.
Certainly.